Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will show how to make a 5-layer burrito from Taco Bell. To begin, ensure you have all your ingredients ready. You'll need 1 large flour tortilla, about 1/4 cup of seasoned ground beef, and a generous 2 tablespoons of warm refried beans. Don't forget the creamy nacho cheese sauce, cool sour cream, and a sprinkle of shredded cheddar cheese. Having everything prepped makes the assembly process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's start building those delicious layers. First, take your large flour tortilla and spread about 2 tablespoons of warm refried beans evenly across the center, leaving about 1 inch of space from the edges. Next, spoon approximately 1/4 cup of your seasoned ground beef directly over the beans. Finally, drizzle a generous amount of nacho cheese sauce, roughly 1½ tablespoons, over the beef and beans, creating a rich, gooey foundation. We are almost done with our 5 delicious layers. For the 4th layer, gently spread about 1 tablespoon of cool sour cream over the nacho cheese sauce. This adds a refreshing contrast. Then, for the 5th and final layer, sprinkle approximately 2 tablespoons of shredded cheddar cheese evenly across the sour cream. Remember to keep all your fillings within about 1 inch of the tortilla's edge to make folding easier and prevent any delicious spills. The final step is crucial for a perfect burrito: folding. First, fold in the 2 opposite sides of the tortilla, about 1½ inches each, towards the center over your fillings. Then, starting from the bottom, tightly roll the burrito upwards, tucking in the ingredients as you go to create a compact, sealed package. Your homemade 5-layer burrito is now complete. Serve it immediately and enjoy every flavorful bite of your creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.